day we're back at the bike. We're going to try and replace it. Thanks to Richard. He gave us a used trailing arm to put on. Hopefully we can drive this thing out of here. I don't know. We'll see.
Quad back home. We have by Boundary Road, like past there in the trail there. Broke his A-arm yesterday, so got another one. We got to take it off and try to dick ass around here. So. Yeah. Dick ass. No, we're not. No, he was riding yesterday. Yeah.
What the doggy do?
Take that out of the way here first.
Oh, right up.
Yeah, I know, but I just wanted to not to get fucked up here. Ow. Okay.
Take this fucking thing right out anyway.
We didn't get in there though.
Okay?
Oh, yeah, hang on.
Ah, shit.
Okay, hang on. Hold on a minute.
That's gonna be difficult too with that fucking weight on that tire.
Okay, try it again a little bit. So, yeah, we're against the fucking tire now.
We're against the tire?
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't think
Oops.
I'm going to go one battery, but it should be enough.
Tell me when the tire's off the ground.
Front end's coming up, that's why probably. Do what we gotta do and that's it. I guess. No. Take a little more off.
Cracking down.
Yeah. Don't worry about that after. That's it.
Should be good.
Like doggy. It's a lot easier than trying to wrestle with a socket. That's what I knew when you said that right away.
Yeah.
Like I remember the first time I took mine off, I couldn't even get it off.
Yeah.
It was all Loctite with red.
That's why I brought the breaker bar.
No, I know, but still, there's not much room in there, you know.
No.
say throw them off anyway. Do more harm than good. So they say. I don't know. Hard to say.
$175.
Sure. More like 1,200.
Jack her up a bit. Should be enough. Should be enough, Rob. I think. No, maybe not. One a little bit more. Yeah. Put this back in here.
Well, you know what? I might go carry it up the side. Yeah, a little side excursion from where I parked the four-wheeler. Yeah, the water's down quite a bit, but still not enough. Be curious to see where that goes in there. The bottom one to the right.
Yeah.
And whether this might be a shaft right here too. Oh, you can see that. Oh, it doesn't go. Oh, you can see now. It doesn't go anywhere. It just goes in 20 feet following that vein. You can see the vein in the water. I think.
See if this thing keeps.
Now, that could be a reflection, but I don't think so. There goes Mark. You gonna tell us how deep it is? It just stops. This stops too. It's been backfilled here. So that's why I'm thinking that that might have hooked up with that other shaft, but I don't know. Probably not.
I don't know what made them dig in here.
Still a big vein of quartz here and some yellow growth of some kind up there.
A lot of shaly kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I think they looked at the quartz, I guess. There was something.
Yeah, they're definitely looking for silver.
Oh yeah, yeah.
like you got a big, huge timber there put on purpose. I don't see any rope burns on it though, but that does almost look like a shaft going down, and it does go underneath there. Yeah, that definitely goes down. Like these two big timbers here.
Wasn't that looking like a start of a ladder right there? Or was a board, like that board you're shining on?
That is a ladder, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a ladder right there. Go down and see how it looks.
Yeah, yeah.
So that only goes maybe 10 feet then. And maybe goes under over there.
Could be, yeah.
Huh. That's pretty cool. Never noticed that before. The water was much higher last time too.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they would have had to have pumps here. Well, this is a huge waste rock pile here. And this is where the shaft is. It's about 30 feet down. Okay, I see the wood collar down there. Some old garbage in the bush. Prestone antifreeze. Wow. When was the last time you saw Prestone antifreeze round tin? A barrel there. Well, I'm gonna head back to the four-wheeler and get out of here.